Hi guys, my name is Kiva and this is DIY with KB. Today we're going shopping for some restoration hardware dupes at Value City Furniture. They have so many dupes and none of you know about it, so I'm going to take you all throughout the store and show you all the things that look just like RH. Before we get into today's video, please remember to subscribe to my channel and check me out on Instagram at kiva.brent. Now let's get into it. The first thing I saw were these beautiful Cater Bowley paintings that I have in my living room. You guys love these, and they're only $299.99 each. And if they are the last ones in your store, you can actually take them off the wall and they're going to give you 20% off. These paintings are huge. I believe they're 86 inches tall, and they are the most talked about piece in my entire house. Everybody loves them. Every single video I post without fail, someone asks me if my sofa is the cloud sofa, and it's not. It's this plush sofa in ivory from Value City Furniture. So if you want that cloud sofa look, I would definitely pick this one up. It is so comfortable, it's low, and it's super deep, which is all in line with a modern aesthetic. I will say that having a white couch obviously requires maintenance, but I do have an IG highlight all about this, so check me out on Instagram at kiva.brent. Now this is the sofa they actually had on display. It was a sectional and it was gray, and I actually really love the gray color. It's nice and modern and definitely easier to clean. Now this coffee table I'm thinking about getting. It's $399.99. It is an apothecary table. It's a really good size, real wood. I mean, that's beautiful. If you're going to go to Value City Furniture for anything, I want you to go because of the shelving. What I love about the shelving is that they are restoration hardware dupes. They are super affordable, and not everyone has super high ceilings like most homes that have restoration hardware items in them. So their shelving units are very reasonably sized. Like, look at this one. This is a dupe for the Parisian collection from Restoration Hardware. I knew that off the top of my head because that's how similar they are. This abstract painting was huge and again so affordable, and then they had these maps. These maps are so RH and they are pricey and they're never this size. What I love about Value City Furniture is that their items are huge, right? So you don't have to find a whole bunch of art pieces, because if you get these 3 panels, that is going to be the focal point of your dining room, your living room, wherever space you are, and then you're set. And everything is so affordable. I also want to say in the back of most of their stores, they have like a clearance section with things you can take home same day. You just got to get your car. And now they actually offer a service where you don't only always have to get things delivered, you can actually pick up things in store, and sometimes they come faster. And this whole hallway was full of dupes of RH bedroom furniture. And like, I was thinking about it as if my house looks anything like this, but I just like loved it. Look at these wood dressers. If you're looking at the end of the hallway and that shelving unit looks familiar, it is a dupe for the Parisian shelving unit from Restoration Hardware. The Restoration Hardware one retails for, I believe, $19.12, between $16.32 and $19.12. This one is $7.99 and was on clearance at this time for $3.99. Right now it's back ordered, but they have the smaller version, so get that if you like it. In the clearance section, I found this map for $179.99, and I looked on the RH website. Yeah, I'm going to say RH 100 times in this, so this guy who always comments RH, yes, I'm saying it 1,000 times, you're right. But one at RH this size starts at $10.98. This is $179.99. That one is $1,000. That's insane. This side table screamed the Heston collection. I don't know, it looked identical to me. This is the Kellen Gray end table. You should look it up if you like it. It's modern. Honestly identical, except for the Heston one is circular. Now, I will say, if you don't like Value City furniture, check out Wayfair's Graylee Connection. That's also a collection that is full of restoration hardware dupes. I will say that VCF has things for every style, so not everything is an RH dupe. And if you're looking for dupes for RH, our house, something like that, look at the things that say designer looks on the tag. Totally not a dupe, but this mirror is so ornate and beautiful, and it's only $500. So if you're looking for a nice size floor mirror that's a little bit more fancy looking, I would definitely check this one out. I almost bought it, but I literally can't fit any more mirrors in my house. They also had these nice little objects on stands, which are going to run you at least $75 at RH, at least. That was so generous. This cabinet, I love the arch in it. It's similar to the French casement collection. It's not identical because of the arch, but the knobs and detailing is the same. Honestly, they just have a ton of really, really cool mirrors, and I mean, this one is so intricate. Look at all of that detailing that's kind of cast in the mirror itself, and it's huge. I just want to say, at Home Goods, one of these is like $70. It's $50 here, and they're really good size. This is the Harrison bed. I think it was on sale at this point, but this is a dupe for the St. James bed with the footboard. Obviously, there's less detailing, but I think it was a very well executed dupe. I haven't said this yet on my channel, but I need to say it. I want to source really affordable, high-end looking furniture for you guys. I know that this dresser doesn't look identical to RH, but if you change the hardware, maybe it could. Not everyone has the wallet to spend $10,000 on their bedroom. That's just not realistic. So no, not everything is going to be made out of the best wood in the entire world. But if you can get something from Value City Furniture and one thing from Restoration Hardware, maybe you can make your space look like your dream home. It just involves some creativity and leniency. I'm not here saying that IKEA and Restoration Hardware are the exact same thing. You guys came for me about that. I understand that IKEA can sometimes be crappy, but if you only have the IKEA budget and you want that RH catalog look, you're gonna have to finesse it. They have other paintings by Cater Bowley as well, besides the ones I have in my house. So if you really like his work, what I would suggest doing is buying them all, and then you have all work in your house that looks like somewhat similar. That's something I like to do if I'm really bad at matching the colors. So he has this one, and then he also has one that isn't as defined in what it is. You can't really see the people as well, which I kind of like. If you think you've seen these chairs before, you are right. They are identical to the French Contemporary Square collection, which starts at $395 per chair, depending upon if it has arms or not. But this entire set was $598. It was the table and the 4 chairs, which is an amazing price. Now, they also have these plush looking chairs, which resemble the Ellison Track collection, which starts at $700. This chair with the arms is $250. I think that's a pretty good price. It's definitely not as high of a back as the RH1, and the one without arms is $199.99. I would get the one without arms if it were me, so that the chair can actually fit underneath your table. This cabinet looks even more similar to the French casement collection than the cabinet I showed you earlier. Not only is the hardware the same, but the shape is identical, and I actually like that it has a glass open section and then a closed section down at the bottom. This dresser resembles the Ridgeline 6-drawer dresser from RH, which retails for $3,850. See, like, if you want that RH look in your bedroom but you don't have the budget for it, this is a really great way to get an entire Restoration Hardware looking bedroom for under, $3,000, as compared to the, upwards of $8,000 you'd probably have to spend to get every single little thing that you want. And that's it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me today at Value City Furniture, also known as American Signature Furniture. They have so many great high-end dupes, and I hope you're able to secure one for your home. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and check me out on Instagram at kiva.brent. Until next time, have a beautiful day.